Welcome to multiple choice question 14 of the 2003 Mathematical Methods Exam 1. In this video we will be looking at the solution for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. And now before we move on, I'd just like to point out that the use of the CAS calculator may be used to assist with answering this question. However, part of this question must be completed without using a calculator. So for question 14, we have if the integral from 1 to 4 of f of x dx equals 2, then the integral of 1 to 4 of 2 times f of x plus 3 dx is equal to one of the following. So if we have a look at the integral we're asked to evaluate, we can actually split up the integral over the addition sign, and the 2 that's multiplying f of x inside the integral can be brought out the front. So this could be written as 2 times the integral from 1 to 4 of f of x dx. So far we've taken into consideration the first part here. And then we can add on that the integral between 1 and 4 of the function 3 with respect to x. So that now takes into consideration the plus 3 inside the integral. So we've taken into consideration all of that expression that we're asked to find. So this is simply equal to 2 multiplied by the integral from 1 to 4 of f of x dx, but that was equal to 2. We were told that in the question, so this is going to be 2 times 2, and then we add on to that the integral of 1 to 4 of 3 dx, which we could use a calculator to quickly evaluate. So on the CAS calculator, go into the main menu. Pressing the keyboard button on the hard keypad will bring up the soft keyboard, and under Math 2 we could find the integral symbol so that we can quickly and efficiently evaluate the integral from 1 to 4 of 3 with respect to x, and hitting execute we find that the value of that is 9. And we found that this was equal to 9. So all up we have 2 times 2 is 4 plus 9 gives 13. So E is the correct answer for this question. Now just quickly, if you wanted to see how we could do that integration step by hand, we'd have the integral of 1 to 4 of 3 dx, which would be equal to the antiderivative, which would be 3x, evaluated between 1 and 4, which would equal the upper terminal substituted in, so 3 times 4, subtract the lower terminal substituted in, which is 3 times 1, and that would give us 12 minus 3, which equals 9. And that 9's the same 9 the calculator gave us earlier. So from the examiner's report, we can see that 51% of students got this correct, with 30% of students choosing option C, which you would obtain if you forgot to do the integral to the 3. Because this would have just given you 2 times 2 plus 3 if you didn't integrate it, which would be 4 plus 3 is 7, which was option C. So that was a common mistake for people to forget to integrate the 3.